What's up guys, it's the Cheapster here back with another video. So you guys have seen Grubhub, you've seen Uber Eats. Now it's time today to see how DoorDash is right now. I've been doing these videos to see what things are like right now going into 2022 to see if it's worth doing anymore. And so far it's been maybe DoorDash will be better. So today is a Sunday and we are going to be working from 5 until 10 just like the other videos. And we're going to see what we can get on DoorDash, how much money we can make, and how much I have to drive. But first off, let me remind you guys, if you haven't used my referral link to download Get Upside down below in the description, make sure you check that out because that's how you can get free cash back on gas. It's basically free money, so go ahead and sign up for that. There's also a bunch of links down there, a bunch of ways that you guys can save money, so check those out. Anything you use down there usually is gonna help my channel, and I really appreciate that. All right, so it is 5, so let's go ahead and turn on. I feel like I'm probably gonna get bombarded with orders because that's usually how DoorDash is. They usually have tons of orders come in. All right, so just like I figured I would get bombarded by orders, I did hear some of them really quickly because they sent me a lot of them. Some of them are kind of confusing why I might reject them, but if you guys know the areas, some of those are like really difficult areas to deal with or way farther away than they seem. But I did end up taking one that's really close by for $5.50. It's a low amount. Normally I wouldn't take that much, but I knew they'd probably double it, which they did. I got another order for a Mexican restaurant that's right across the street from the restaurant I'm already going, and that was about another $6 or so. So in total, it'll be about $12 plus any tips that maybe get added on. I don't think there will be because that's not hitting like the maximum threshold. All right, got that order picked up. Still using my Grubhub bag because my DoorDash bag is not as nice. But going pretty well so far because that's quicker than I think I even really got any other orders on any of the other apps. All right, got that order dropped off. It actually was a little bit more for the second order. The tip was a little higher. And then right after, immediately I got another order for Zaxby's for $6.50. These are a little low, but I think they are bumping them up maybe. Of course, that's what DoorDash is. You got to take a chance on it and guess if it's actually going to be higher or not. But also DoorDash is usually very quick. You usually don't have to wait at the restaurants. So I don't really mind taking the lower orders for DoorDash because it seems to go a lot quicker and you can make more money that way. So I'm gonna head over there right now, pick that order up, and hopefully get a double on the way. There goes the sun. We had it for a little bit, but it's going away. All right, got that order picked up. Look at those 3 big old precarious drinks there. Gotta love that when you gotta pick those up. There's like no good way to handle drinks. If you guys have a way to handle drinks better, I know there's some things you can do, but let me know in the comments because getting the drinks is like the most stressful part. But I'm gonna go drop these off now. All right, got that order dropped off and got a few orders that were not very good, and then got a Walmart order for $16. I'm not so familiar with these. I usually don't take the Walmart ones, but that's a lot. I hope I'm not gonna regret taking that, but I'm gonna go there now. It's a little bit of a far drive too, but I'm imagining it's gonna be a lot of groceries since it's 16. But I'm hoping it'll at least go smoothly. All right, I am here at the Walmart waiting at stall number 5. I checked out what it says I'm picking up and it just says package 1. I thought it like told you what you're picking up, but maybe it's literally just one package. If it is, I hope it's not huge because I'm driving a Civic. All right, got all that picked up. It was not one package, it's like just an order of groceries, but it's actually not too big, so pretty happy. This one's actually a pretty good order. All right, I'm a little out of breath, but I got that order done. Brought back memories of my Instacart days. Also, you see that back there? Christmas time already. Set up early. But that order actually ended up being $17.50, so that was pretty great. But now I got the "you're out of your delivery region" message, so I gotta head back into town. Gotta love the do-ar tree. All right, you guys can't see me, but I got another order for $7.75 for a place that is actually in the direction I want to head anyway, so I'm happy to get that one. I did get a bunch of like really low orders as I was coming back into town. You know, a lot of scraps, but guess what? Today, Scrapman is not on duty, so I declined all those. All right, I am here at the store. I haven't picked up yet, but on my way here, I got another order to the same place, so a double for $8.50. So that's pretty awesome to have both of those. I don't think they're that far either, so hopefully this stuff's ready and this will be an awesome order. All right, got those orders picked up. That was so quick. I went in there and it was kind of like there was a line, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm probably gonna have to wait here. Nope, both ready, picked them both up, but now I'm gonna go deliver them. So this day's going pretty well so far. All right, got that first order dropped off. That was actually $8. And then as I was doing that, I got an add-on for a Wendy's order for $8.50. I feel like there's so much going on. I don't know if this is hard to follow in this video, but it's good because it means I'm making a lot of money. Honestly, I can't believe it's not even halfway through the time yet, and I've already made so much money doing this. So DoorDash is looking pretty good. All right, got that Wendy's order picked up. Now going to drop that off. Got that one dropped off. Now it's off to do the Wendy's one. more precarious drinks. These are kids cups, so they don't fit in the thing very well. So it's kind of like, they're like moving around while I'm driving. All right, got that order dropped off, and that was actually $11. So that was awesome. Now I'm gonna head back up to Greenville a little bit more, back into the zone, and see what else I can get. This is going great today. All right, guys, I can't even remember what I've recorded. I think I didn't tell you yet that I got an order coming back for a pizza place that's right where I want to be anyway. I think it was like 6 something. I kind of forgot. I'll put it up here. And then also while I was driving, I think when I got here, I got another order to a restaurant that's right here that I was just at earlier. And that's 6 something. I can't even remember. Everything's coming in so quick that I'm like kind of forgetting what's going on, but it's good because I'm making lots of money. So right now I'm gonna go pick up that other order. I just got the first one picked up. All right, I hit my first snag of the night. That one took 30 minutes to wait on. And of course it was one of those 5 minutes. It'll be 5 minutes, and then that goes on multiple times. So definitely worse because I have that first order sitting here waiting to be delivered. So I wish they would have told me because I could have just delivered that and come back. That's how it goes sometimes. So I'm gonna go deliver these now. All right, got that first one dropped off, and that one was $8.50, which I think was more than what I was shown. So every single one just seems to be more. So this has been a great day. All right, got that order done, and now I'm just waiting for another order. All right, so I've just been sitting here declining orders. I've gotten a lot of bad ones. A lot of really bad ones have come in, so I'm just waiting right now. But once it's 9 o'clock, there's actually peak pay of $3. I think there's nothing right now, so that'll be good once it gets then. All right, right as I said that, I got a Wendy's order for $6.50. Wendy's was really easy before. I think their dining room's still open, so that would be good if it is, because if not, I'm gonna have to wait in the drive-thru, and I don't really want to do that because it could be really long on a weekend. But it's really close, so for $6.50, that's okay, and everything's pretty much been coming in higher than what it said anyway. All right, got that order. That was pretty quick. Whenever I come to a hotel, I always wish I was staying here. It's always so nice. It's like a little relaxing from doing the work. All right, got that order dropped off, and I'm finally downtown for like the first time all of today. Kind of weird. I feel like DoorDash normally makes me go downtown a lot, but I wasn't downtown like at all today, which I'm not really complaining because it is a pain to deal with downtown on the weekends, especially because I think this weekend was like, they set up the ice skating rink and there was like some Christmas stuff going on. So I'll take it. All right, I was waiting here for a while. Didn't really get anything for a while, but I just got one for $9.50, and that could be more because I think at this point, that might be the top that they show, but that will for sure be the last order I take because I'm going to run out of time. It'll be 10 o'clock by then, but they may double the order up, and that would be how I could get 2 orders at least. This place is one of the few places open around this time downtown, so there's a good chance they might give me a double. I'm also right here already, so I don't need to go anywhere, so I'll just go in and pick it up. All right, got that order. No double, unfortunately, but at least it was quick, so I'll go drop that off and maybe have time for one more, but probably not. All right, got that order dropped off, and that was actually $11.50. So that was a good order. And now there's just a few minutes left till 10, so I'll wait out the clock. If something comes in, I will take it, but at 10, that's when I'll say I'm done. All right, guys, it is 10 o'clock, so it is officially over for DoorDash today. So I'm gonna head home, and I'm gonna tell you guys how the day went, to talk about how much I made and how much I drove. And then we'll talk about if this is worth doing or not. All right, guys, so that is it for DoorDash for the day. So let's talk about how much I made and how many miles I drove. So in total today, I made $97.90, and I drove 57 miles. So I would say, as it goes for how much I made to how much I drove, that's a pretty good ratio. The one thing I can say about DoorDash is they for sure are not slow. They are very busy most of the day. It was just constant orders. But DoorDash obviously is one of those weird apps where it's like, they send you so much bad stuff. So you're gonna be really busy, but you're also busy rejecting a bunch of bad things. But hey, at least it's busy. That's a good thing. But overall, I would say I'm pretty happy with how the day went with DoorDash. I made close to $100 for 5 hours. So that's about $20 an hour. Now in the past with like Grubhub and stuff, usually on the weekends, I would make like $25 an hour pretty easily. So it's still less than that, but it's better than what I've seen in the past few months. And it's definitely not too bad. I mean, once you take out like gas and stuff, that's still a pretty decent paying day. And honestly, the one thing about DoorDash too is they're very efficient. Like I feel like they give you double orders and sometimes even triple orders that are just really good. They're on the way that you need to go, so you're not wasting a bunch of time. You're usually not waiting a lot at restaurants, except for that one restaurant that I did have to wait like 30 minutes. But most of the time they just keep you going and making it so that the time you're trying to work, you're actually working and making money. So I would say with DoorDash, yeah, definitely not as good as things were in the past with certain other apps and even DoorDash itself. But I think it's probably still worth doing. And honestly, after doing this, I'm probably gonna do more DoorDash from now on. Partially because also I think they have one of the best systems that runs for giving you orders and making it the easiest for you as a driver. Sure, there's some issues, every app has issues, but I would say it was pretty stress-free today. And that's something you don't get a lot with these apps. But that's it, guys, for my day with driving for DoorDash. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to check down below in the description for any of the referral links that I have for stuff like Get Upside, like I said, to get free cash back on gas and just a bunch of other stuff down there. That stuff really helps my channel and I really appreciate when you guys use it. But if you guys like the video, remember to do the cheapest thing you can today. Tap that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. I'll definitely be doing more videos about DoorDash in the future because I do feel like it was actually pretty decent. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and remember, stay cheap.
Hey, you better be saving that money. Don't you be spending it now. You're still here watching this? You might as well just subscribe. Why would you not at this point?